Good morning, friends. My name is Srinivas, and I would like to take a few minutes and talk about memory. Memory in relationships. Interesting, right? Yeah, I've been thinking about for some time what makes us happy in life. Sometimes forgetfulness makes you happy. Yes, that is true. If you don't remember what has happened yesterday, you look forward for it. And if you remember completely everything about what has happened yesterday, and let's say that something bad, and that's going to haunt you. And if you can forget that, you're going to have fun in life and joyful life. That is the very context I'm talking about. Forgetting the bad things and remembering good things. If I have to ask myself, when was the last time I had a fight with my wife? Probably I remember. And if I ask myself, when was the last time I complimented her, she complimented me, or we had a nice conversation, or we sat together and laughed to the core of our heart? Very difficult to say. I'm serious now. It's not just about my case or your case. This is something very common in most of our lives. And I think there is a medicine, there is a remedy. If we can forget the bad things, what remains in our life is happiness. If you cannot forget those bad things, what remains in your life is, I don't need to mention. Now, do you want to be happy? Your answer obviously is yes. Everyone wants us to be happy. In order for you to be happy, this is the best medicine you ever have. Try to forget your fight with your partner. I'm talking more now about wife and husband relationship. If you ever had a fight with your your wife or husband, try to forget it and see how it is going to make you feel. Is it difficult or easy? It is up to you. Do you want to do it or not? If you wanted to be happy, and this is the pill. When you are taking a medicine, you don't check the taste of the medicine, whether it's sweet, bitter, or whatever. You just take it because you know that that is going to cure the problem you have. The same way, here, try to forget. It's not hard or difficult. It is possible or impossible. It is possible. You know that it is possible. But why you are not able to forget that thing? Because you are not trying. Try to take the medicine. Medicine you take for a course, right? 1 week, 10 days, doctor prescribes you take this medicine for 10 days. You take it because you trust the doctor that it is going to work. And if you can trust yourself, it is going to work. If you wanted to forget something, you can forget. And in order to forget something bad, you have to be open-minded and forgive the other person. If you can forgive other person, you can forget the bad things automatically. If you cannot forgive, you cannot forget. And that thought is going to haunt you and make your life miserable. We all are born to be happy. We all are not born to be miserable in life. Yes, life has miseries, but it is possible to overcome by happiness. And happiness is not subjected to something. If you give me, I'll be happy. If you don't give me, I will not be happy. No, it's not possible. It's not that way. Try to think in another way around. You don't need anything from external to make you happy. All your happiness is within you, in your mind, in terms of thoughts. Remember those good thoughts. Erase those bad thoughts. Forgive those bad thoughts. Forgive those people in the bad thoughts. Is it easy or difficult? It is very difficult. It's not easy. Unless you have the willingness to do it. You wanted to be forgiven in some cases by someone. Yes, you wanted someone to forgive you. And the same way, you forgive someone. And that someone in this case is very important person in your life, your spouse. Can't you just do that? For your own happiness? When I say you both. Right? Just imagine you both are holding hands and laughing from the core of your heart. If you want that moment, I think you can forgive the mistakes in the past. You can forgive the other person's mistakes and your own mistakes. You can forgive your own mistakes. You can forgive the other person's own mistakes. And the same way, it applies both the sides. When you wanted to sit down and talk, don't talk about issues. Don't bring these topics at all, because your memory has only those good thoughts. These bad thoughts are not in your memory. Try that. You wanted to erase these thoughts from your memory. Try that. Don't try to forcibly recollect those thoughts. No. Because when an argument comes again, you go back to those thoughts and you pull all the details and you talk with those references. And that certainly not makes the other person happy. And he'll be anxious or she will be anxious. And the conversation is going to be very rough. And you will both be disturbed at the end of the conversation and won't talk to each other. What have you achieved? Bad mood. You need someone else to achieve that in your life? No. You have someone else in your life, your partner in your life, not to achieve that day when you don't see each other. Not to go back to the day when you don't talk to each other with so much of, mental unrest. Yeah. Try to come forward to forgive each other and look at the life. Life is going to be very different. Beautiful. When I say beautiful, not externally, internally. Just think about all the toxins from your body and mind are gone. How light you feel. It is exactly the same feeling I'm talking about. We all have these issues in life. We are bound to get, arguments, conversations, differences. All these are part of the life. And you have the ability to overcome. Are you using your entire, attention to overcome this? No. Yes. If yes, life is different. Happy. Happiness. It's filled with happiness. Try this, friends. I'm sure it is going to help you. And it helped me. And it helped a lot of other people. After all, we are going to live for another few years in life, in this earth. And after that, we do not exist. When you yourself are not going to exist any longer, what happens to your thoughts? If those are good thoughts, they will be in this universal harmony. Make yourself happy. Try again to forget all the bad memories from your life. Try to forget people. That is why you are born actually. You are born not to take revenge. You are born to love, to share love, and to forgive, to forget mistakes of others, and accept with open-mindedness if someone is suggesting something good in life, and if that is going to be useful. And most importantly, if your partner is suggesting something, he or she might be suggesting because that is going to be useful for both of you. Please do not argue. That is not going to take you anywhere. You personally think you are winning, but you are losing. You are losing your own self. You are having so much of emotional unrest. Do you want all this in life? Toxin. Your mind is filled with toxin. If you are carrying all these bad thoughts, erase them. It's like a memory stick. You can insert new things in your memory stick. You can erase the existing data. How can you do that? Keep some good thoughts. Talk something positive. Watch something positive. And they will store in your memory. And the existing data will be removed, which is bad. If something bad happens, that's why our elders used to say this: something bad happens, write on the water. Something good happens, write on the stone. That's how we have to lead our life. Simple, yet complicated, because we do not want to do that. Please try that. See how beautiful life is going to be. Thank you very much for watching this. See you later.